Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Tech Top episode 140. Catch up on being away for so long. Recorded on March 4th, 2019. Well, did you miss me? I'll tell you what, I miss you guys a lot, and I will explain why here in a little bit. So in case you're new to my new YouTube channel podcast show, I'm Dan Harley. Got over 20 years of internet marketing experience, internet solution consulting. I've helped countless businesses succeed online with websites, internet marketing, SEO, social networking, email marketing, a lot more stuff. This YouTube channel and podcast shows help more businesses out there to answer questions, solve some problems, provide some sound advice and direction, and businesses to succeed online. You can find links to the YouTube channel, the podcast show, the Facebook page, and details about this and other episodes at Tech Talk at primeconcepts.net. That's primeconcepts.net. While there, please leave a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel and podcast show, and like the Facebook page. You know the drill. Thank you for doing all that. I greatly appreciate it. Now to the show. Catch up after being away for so long. Yeah, it's been a little bit here, about 2 months or so, 3 months ago, so I didn't mean to make it so long, but you'll understand why in a little bit here. Let me tell you a little bit of the story of what's been happening here. Late June last year in 2018, I actually sat down with talked to a friend of mine, had some lunch, and his business wasn't doing very well. He was struggling just to stay open. And, we talked in detail about what's going on, try to find some solutions to his problems. And then I found out there's more. He wasn't a unique case. It was actually more prevalent the more I started asking around. In fact, I got three of my friends that had been in business for a very long time. They closed the doors last year. And these are very prominent businesses. They've been around, award-winning businesses. You would think would be for them to be closing down. So I was shocked to find obvious struggles with small and medium-sized businesses, and no one is really noticing. So it prompted me to make some significant changes in my business and Prime Concepts, and basically reinventing Prime Concepts again. So I spent some time to recertify myself for certain services, and that's what you do. And every once in a while you got to get a certification, and that's what I did. So that's where I kept quiet for a while, go back to school a little bit, and learn a few things. And also, I realigned my current services as well as some new services, and developed a lot more self-help tutorials, which I'm still working on. But a lot of reason why you don't hear from me is because I've been working on all these new tutorials. So, and that's going to change abruptly as of right away. I can start popping out more of these episodes more on a daily basis. The objective basically is help businesses develop extremely powerful what's called sales funnel systems, okay? Not just doing SEO, not just doing websites, not just social networking, incorporating all that stuff and more into driving new prospects into becoming customers and repeat customers. Basically building a market system that is basically a customer-making system. Okay, and do it economically and simply enough for anyone to at least start in it. Okay, so in fact, today I kind of implemented that. A little story here. Massage therapist called me out. A friend of mine referred me to her. She's wondering why basically she's not getting new customers calling her, and she's losing current customers. So she's been around in business for about over 20 years, had lots of past clients, has a great reputation with the customers, but business is slowly deteriorating. And I found out talking about 10 minutes and digging around here what was happening here. Her online business credentials, and I get more in detail about that in other episodes, but basically all her online business credentials had wrong information, had the wrong phone number, wrong address. Lots of these credentials, lots of these business directors she wasn't even present in. So basically, no Facebook page, no Twitter, all that good stuff here. But basically, what happened is her new and current clients couldn't find her because she's basically invisible online. So I fixed to this. I sent her email links to claim her Google listing or Bing listing. I also sent a free trial to Constant Contact, which helps her learn how to develop a powerful email marketing campaigns, which will help her drive current and new customers to her business. And it didn't cost her a dime. So these are things we're building up. You're going to see me kind of roll this out here in the next few days, few weeks here. The objective really is to help these businesses in general get to the next level. Get to a level where they're not struggling for customers. They're able to turn things up at will and able to dictate their own destiny despite any harsh economic or political environment. So in summary here, everybody get pretty excited around here. And I'm pretty excited about the stuff that's going to come up here. And you're going to hear more from me from now on. So no longer am I going to be out for weeks or months without you hearing from me in a podcast show or whatever. So anyway, like I say, if you are, like I say, teetering closing your business and need some fresh ideas on how to drive new customers to your business, you want to subscribe to my podcast show and all this stuff. Subscribe to Prime Concepts and see how the internet can be a tool that makes you more successful. So give us a call and give us a call and schedule a free e-strategy planning list like this lady did today. And you'll see how important this stuff can be to you. It's a very fundamental thing. It can be a life-changing situation for your business. So in the meantime, visit primeconcept.net, bookmark the page, subscribe to the channel podcast show, share this with friends and colleagues, leave some feedback, and I appreciate all that. And also we'll see you in the next episode. So, by the way, the next episode is going to be tomorrow and the next day here. We're going to be talking about something that kind of irks me a little bit. We're going to talk about some, the SMS text messaging marketing. So, anyway, thanks you folks for watching, listening. Thanks for hanging out and sticking around. And once again, apologies for being basically disappearing for a month or two. I'm back. And we'll see you sometime very soon here. So, good luck. And Godspeed to your online success, and we'll see you next time.